Planning a getaway? Explore these top-rated day trips near Colombo, featuring breathtaking views, cultural landmarks, and outdoor adventures for all. From Colombo, Kandy, Pinnawala, and Tea Factory full-day trip. Embark on a comprehensive exploration of Sri Lanka's rich history, diverse culture, and thriving industries during this full-day itinerary departing from Colombo to Kandy and Pinnawala. Begin by boarding a comfortable vehicle at your chosen location, hotel in Colombo or Negombo, for an air-conditioned journey to the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. Here, observe a tranquil scene as elephant herds feed and bathe in the nearby river, capturing their natural beauty and behavior. Upon arrival in Kandy, proceed to the Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic, a UNESCO World Heritage Site housing the revered Buddha's left canine tooth, which holds significant spiritual importance. Marvel at this sacred site, surrounded by lush greenery and ancient architecture, before exploring Sri Lanka's last royal capital city. After enjoying a leisurely lunch at a scenic restaurant overlooking Kandy, venture into a local gem factory to learn about cutting-edge craftsmanship techniques and appreciate the variety of precious stones produced there. Next, visit a traditional crafts factory and a batik workshop, allowing visitors to purchase unique souvenirs crafted locally. As evening approaches, make your way to a tea plantation in Pinnawala for a taste of Sri Lankan hospitality. Engage in a guided tour to understand the intricate process of cultivating tea leaves, savoring the flavors and aromas firsthand, and possibly even sampling various teas available. Finally, return to Colombo or Negombo after a memorable day filled with cultural immersion, educational experiences, and opportunities to support local artisans and businesses. From Colombo Negombo to Sigiriya Dambulla and Safari full day. Embark on a comprehensive exploration of UNESCO World Heritage Sites during this exciting itinerary. Commencing your journey from your accommodation, your knowledgeable guide will transport you via air-conditioned vehicle to the majestic Lion Rock Fortress, located in Sigiriya. Upon arrival, marvel at the colossal fortress, which stands on the imposing Lion Rock. Your guide will elucidate its construction and the ingenious drainage system embedded within the surrounding terrain. As you proceed to explore the caves, capture exquisite photographs of the fortress's exterior before venturing deeper into the subterranean world. Your next destination is the awe-inspiring Dambulla Cave Temple, renowned for its vast collection of Buddhist art and architecture. You'll have ample opportunity to admire the intricate frescoes adorned with vibrant hues and captivating sculptures, while also indulging in traditional Sri Lankan cuisine prepared right before your eyes. Following the culinary delights, engage in a wildlife safari through 3 national parks, characterized by their abundance of elephants and diverse fauna. Your experienced guide will highlight the unique species and habitats, offering a thrilling glimpse into the natural wonders of the region. Concluding the tour, return to Colombo and immerse yourself in the spiritual ambience of Dambulla Cave Temple. Here, you can appreciate the grandeur of the Buddha statues and the mesmerizing frescoes painted in a kaleidoscope of colors across the cavernous chambers. Upon reaching your accommodation, you may choose to rest or engage in additional activities as desired. Colombo, Yapahuwa, Dambadeniya, and Panduwasnuwara tour. The tour commences with early morning pickup from your Colombo hotel at 6 a.m., followed by a 2-hour journey to the first destination of the day, the Kingdom of Dambadeniya. As we proceed through the arid landscapes of Sri Lanka, we step into a world of history where the remnants of the kingdom's past await us. The ruins of Dambadeniya offer a glimpse into the bustling mid-13th century hub ruled by King Parakrama Bahu II. Upon arrival, we delve into the recently excavated Temple of the Tooth, accompanied by its captivating royal palace complex adorned with lush gardens, towering walls, and intricate moats. By 10:30 a.m. we reach our second destination, the former capital of Sri Lanka, Yapahuwa. This imposing fortress stands on a colossal rock, featuring extensive staircases, exquisite stone sculptures, and meticulously detailed pillar carvings. To ascend to the highest point, we venture upwards towards the panoramic view of the stupa atop the rocky outcrop, now serving as a sacred meditation center. We spend several hours immersed in the rich tapestry of ruins at Yapahuwa, before embarking on a culinary expedition to a local restaurant for a traditional Sri Lankan meal at our own expense. Following lunch, we continue our journey to the ancient city of Panduwasnuwara, known as one of the earliest kingdoms in Sri Lanka. Dating back to the 5th century BC, this sprawling metropolis witnessed its zenith during this period and has since served various rulers, resulting in a diverse blend of architectural styles. Upon visiting the ruins, we explore the on-site museum housing numerous artifacts unearthed during excavations within the vicinity. Our exploration concludes after approximately 1.5 hours, leaving us free to return to our hotel, conveniently located near the conclusion of our tour, around 7:30 p.m. West Coast Beach, River Mangroves Lagoon, Wildlife Boat Tour. Starting from your hotel in Colombo or the West Coast Beach Resort, the tour commences on the enchanting West Coast beaches, traversing coconut plantations and charming fishing villages. Regular stops are made, including visits to the Sea Turtle Conservation Center, where sick and handicapped sea turtles undergo treatment, followed by a visit to Madu River for the Mangrove Lagoon tour. Mangroves play a crucial role in preserving delicate ecosystems globally, especially in tropical regions like Sri Lanka. The Madu River estuary, designated as a Ramsar wetland, supports diverse flora and fauna. Boating tours offer an excellent opportunity to explore this unique ecosystem, featuring bustling islands and lush mangrove forests teeming with aquatic life. The Madu Ganga, situated 70 kilometers south of Colombo, comprises 28 islands and is considered one of the largest wetlands on the island. Its ecological richness has earned it recognition as a national sanctuary since 2006. A modern motorboat cruise provides a captivating view of this biodiverse haven, accessible via 7 tributaries spanning 2,300 hectares. One of the highlights of the tour includes a visit to an ancient temple on a secluded island, providing insights into local culture and traditions. Additionally, a stop at the Sea Turtle Conservation Center educates visitors about the importance of Sri Lanka as a prime nesting site for sea turtles and the significance of turtle conservation efforts. Post-mangrove exploration, the tour culminates with a visit to the Mask Museum and Carving Center, showcasing centuries-old artifacts and learning about their cultural and ritualistic uses. Following this, a leisurely walk on Bentota Beach offers a serene coastal experience. Throughout the tour, guests can immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of Sri Lankan culture, from ancient temples and scenic beaches to vibrant markets and traditional crafts.